So that was step 15, immediately transfer the collected colony to the S. cerevisiae broth tube. And so make sure that you can see that you grab something onto your loop, because it was kind of, it didn't want to stick to the loop for some reason. I don't know if my colonies are dried out or what, but they didn't want to come off of the auger, so I scraped like a couple until I saw some culture on the loop. And so let's see if our second loop is dry. Yeah, it looks dry. Oh, there's a little bit on the end. So you'll grab it with your index finger and thumb. You'll grab the nutrient broth labeled skin sample and open it with your pinky. And then put that over the flame, just the mouth, to sterilize the opening. And then we'll grab some colony from our skin sample plate and transfer it into the broth. And then close the lid. Do like a half twist till it's loose so that it gets some oxygen. And then we can put this loop into our waste, which is 10% bleach. So it notes that you need to stir the broth with the inoculation loop to assure that the colony separates from the loop. So what I do, which you probably saw, is I just kind of like shake it inside until I can kind of see the culture. So like this one, you can definitely see the culture at the bottom of the tube, but this one, the colonies are so small. I'm hoping I grabbed enough. We'll see. All right, so now we are at step 16. Remove the inoculation loop from the broth and place the loop in a 10% bleach solution. Pass the lip of the inoculated broth tube over the flame to sterilize before screwing on the cap. So I messed up, so I'm just going to do that step one more time. I did it before inoculating it, so this will be for after inoculating it. And so do a half twist to make sure the lid is loose. And this is just to prevent you from contaminating your broth. And so now we're at step 18. Repeat steps 9 through 17 for the skin sample broth and auger plate. If multiple colony types are present on the skin sample plate, collect only one type of colony to transfer to the broth. So mine, it was all like these really, really small colonies. So I think I got, I'm growing all the same thing, but if you see like different shapes or different sizes, just try to grab only one of a specific kind that you want to grow, because you don't want multiple things growing in your tube. All right, so now we're at step 19, extinguish the candle. So just put this off to the side. And I dropped some wax, be careful about that. So step 20, remove the inoculation loops from the bleach solution and wrap in paper towels and dispose in the garbage. So we'll just grab our paper towels, grab a big enough piece that you can wrap these up. And so now we're at step 21. Pour the remaining alcohol from the cup into the sink before disposing of the cup into the garbage. So I'll go dump this. And then, so step 22, place the 2 inoculated broths in the agar plates in your incubation location. So you're going to want to find a warm spot of your house. If you can, put it in the window because it'll get a little warmer there. But make sure it's in a place that it will be undisturbed for 2 days and you don't have to worry about kids or animals getting to them. One thing I did, which Annie suggested, was to take a box and use some saran wrap to cover the opening. So I just had this in my recycling, and I don't think it'll be big enough for this. Well, it might be. So yeah, I might be able to do this. And then cover it. And I think this just gives it more insulation so it gets warmer. But it also would protect like dust from getting to your samples. And then I taped it on the sides so it kind of just fits. But it's not quite covering the front. There we go. So then I'm just going to put this in my window and I will check on it in 2 days and then we'll be back. So now you'll just want to dispose of your gloves and all of this. You can pour your bleach down the sink and throw away that cup as well. And then we'll want to re-sterilize our surface. So I'll just go do that right now. So I'll just push this off to the side and I will re-sterilize my surface. A fresh paper towel. And then you can just let this air dry and put all of your other materials away, and then we're done for the day.